Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your space on Quora, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on the fourth option at the bottom of the screen, and then you should see at the your space section your space. My space name is just as me space, and then click on that, then click on the settings, and now scroll down to the bottom and you should see the delete space option. So deleting this space will remove the space page and all its content and comments. This cannot be undone. So if you want that, click on the delete space and then you're all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.